Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check internet speed or Wi-Fi speed for free. Before that, please consider subscribing to my channel so that it helps me to do more such videos, and also hit that like button. So let's get started. To check the internet speed or Wi-Fi speed, all you have to do is open any of your browser and then key in speed test. I prefer to use Ookla, so you can put speed test Ookla and hit enter. Here in the first site, you see the speed test by Ookla. Just click on that and you will have the interface which looks something like this. Just wait for the page to load. And then click go. There you go. It will calculate your download and upload speed. Currently my download speed is somewhere around 54 Mbps, and my upload speed is somewhere around 60 Mbps. Yeah, I guess that's the speed which I'm getting. Now you have the speed, download speed and upload speed, or you can just take the screenshot of it and send it to whatever person you want to send it, or for whatever purpose you want. To take the screenshot, all you have to do is just click Windows Shift S, and you will have a snip which looks something like this. You can highlight whatever you want and then just copy it, or you can just save it. I will just click save here, and I will just save it in here, downloads, and then click save. Now I have my screenshot here. That's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.